Hey, this is Jonny. We are right at our private skate park. I haven't done one of these in a while. Tony Hawk special tricks in real life. I'm gonna film a whole new episode today. And today's trick is a ghetto bird. Dario is here to assist me with this trick. And yeah, let's take a look at the ghetto bird right now. Alright, there was a ghetto bird. This trick is actually not too hard. Like on a scale from 1 to 10, maybe 4, whatever. I mean, it's really a doable trick. We want to see how many tries it's gonna take us to land this trick. Dario is slightly injured, but I think it's gonna work out. So yeah, let's go to the park. I got some ear protection because it's really loud inside, and I already have a ringing in my ear. Yeah, protect yourself. Dario is gonna go first. I can't hear myself too well. Redo. So, and this is how a perfect ghetto bird looks like. Well, that went down fast, now it's my turn. As you guys just witnessed, I do not do this trick that often. So it usually takes me a while to get into it. Whoa! That was a good one. Well, that was a perfect ghetto bird. Hard flip, backside revert, late 180, however you want to call it. So to make this edit a little longer, let's do one fakie. So another Tony Hawk special trick challenge completed. Ghetto bird. Yeah, that was it. And 2 different stanzas brought to you by 2 different people, me and Dario. We did it. So yeah, fakie, regular. Like I said, I usually don't do this trick, so it takes me a while to get into it. I'm not the most consistent at this trick. Some people are. Some people say like the only ghetto bird is nollie, done nollie, but in my opinion, like it remains the same if you do it switch or regular or whatever, because if you do a kickflip, it remains a kickflip in nollie or switch position. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to check out my latest video, click on this window below. If you want to subscribe to my channel, there is a button right on the edge of this screen. Yeah, thank you guys. Namaste.